Hey food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super refreshing, creamy, and packed with tropical flavor. It's mango madness in a bowl. We are making a classic Indian dessert with a twist, mango phirni. Trust me, once you taste this chilled, silky treat, you'll be hooked. Here's what you'll need. 50 grams basmati rice, 2 ripe mangoes, 1 for pulp and 1 for garnishing, 500 milliliters full fat milk, 50 grams sugar, adjust as per taste, a pinch of elaichi, cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon chopped cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon chopped pistachios, a pinch of saffron, a pinch of salt for garnish. Ripe mango slices, fresh mint sprigs. Soak and grind the rice. Wash and soak basmati rice for 30 minutes. Drain, add a little water or milk, and grind to a coarse paste. Not too fine, you want a broken texture. Puree 1 ripe mango into a smooth pulp. Dice the second mango and set aside for garnish. In a heavy-bottomed Cotta wok, bring the milk to a simmer with sugar, saffron, elaichi, cardamom powder, and a pinch of salt. Simmer for 5 minutes, allowing it to reduce slightly. Stir in the ground rice paste. Cook on medium-low heat, stirring often, for about 15 minutes or until the mixture thickens. Mix in the mango pulp and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in the chopped nuts. Adjust sugar if needed. Pour into small jars or bowls. Chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Top with mango cubes and fresh mint sprigs and serve cold. And there you have it, mango madness in a bowl. The creamy texture of phirni meets the tropical sweetness of mango, making it the ultimate summer dessert. If you give this recipe a try, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more deliciousness coming your way. Happy cooking until next time.